It's payday tomorrow. Sis is broke right now. You don't even want to know how dry my bank account is. Okay, so I just had to record this because I'm a lucky ass bitch. So I've been looking for a shelf to go on the side of my bed because I have a loft bed, and I just found this shit for free, y'all. I'm a fucking lucky ass bitch. I'm literally a fucking lucky ass bitch, y'all. Shit's crazy what I found on the side of the road in New York City, bro. New York, you've been very good to me so far. That's all I have to say. So guys, I'm literally so excited. Ooh, they can pull it over by 12. Oh no, actually 12 is just looking the other way. But I'm so excited about this find. Like, you guys don't even understand. I was literally about to spend $30 on the same exact shelf on Amazon. And even though it's wood, but doesn't necessarily match my decor perfectly, come on, like, it's free. You can't beat it. The last step is just make sure that it actually works, but it looks like it's very functional. So yeah, I'm really super excited about this. And my vlog, it's honestly gonna be pretty lackluster today. I'm about to make a struggle meal. I'm gonna show you guys about what a struggle meal looks like, at least what a struggle meal for me consists of. So it's really tasty, but it's something I make when I don't got no money because it's payday tomorrow. Sis is broke right now. You don't even want to know how dry my bank account is. So not spending no money on dinner, and we're gonna do that, and it's gonna be really tasty. So I'm gonna show you guys what I make. Okay, so I just want to give you guys a closer look at what I got on the side of the street from that clip earlier. If you know me, you know I'm a thrifting queen, and since moving to New York, I've literally thrifted so much things literally off the side of the street. Like, I'm gonna just show y'all this and y'all can kind of see how it works. That's what it looks like, and it goes on the side of my loft bed to create like a table. Excuse me, because you can't really have a side table on a loft bed. And literally, like, I was about to pay $30 for the same exact thing on Amazon. Some other things that I just picked up off the side of the street in New York. This fan, don't mind that t-shirt on top of there. This fan, which got me through the summertime because my roommates don't like to use electricity, air. This chair right here, picked up right off front of my house. And now this. I'm gonna put it up and show you guys what it looks like. It's by this, y'all. It's literally perfect. Like, so now when I'm up here, I can just put my little drinks right there. Anything that I want to sit on the side of the bed, the remotes. That's the first thing I'll put up here, my little remotes. Boom. Always know where the remote is now. Awesome. I'm so psyched about this. Like, y'all don't even understand. Bed shelfie. Hella official. Hella official. I guess I'll show y'all this as well. I also got some other free stuff when I went to this food pantry that I have to go to for my job. If you guys didn't know, like, I have to go to like food pantries and stuff for my job and like sales pretty much. So I got me a bag of onions from the food pantry because I'm an onion eater. And they, at this specific one, they also have a clothes that they give away. So I found some really cute items. Let me try to show you this. Ooh. I found this really cute polo. It's a polo. Ooh, it might be a little too big now that I'm... Ooh, this doesn't smell good. It's a polo top, but I want to wear it as like a dress. I want to wear it as a sweater dress. It's like tan, really cute. Ugh, this is gonna have to get thrown. There it goes. It's super smelly. And I also got this blazer, and it's like an oversized blazer, and I hope it's cute. Let me see if it's gonna be cute, because I saw something like this on Forever 21 the other day. Ooh, it actually fits cute. Felton maybe? I think it might be a little too big.
I don't know. I think I can make this work.
I'm thinking if we took out the shoulder pads, I was thinking of wearing it with like a chill tee. I don't know. I think I can make it work. I still think I can make this work with like this cute hat that I got from Forever. I don't know. I think I can make this work. It's really cute to me. So I actually end up really liking both of the pieces. Like the sweater, it looks gigantic, but it's so like cozy and cute. I can't wait to wear it. So yep, that's what I got at work today on my adventures. And I'm gonna show you guys my struggle meals tonight. But tomorrow's Friday. Alright, so I'm about to make this quick little meal or whatever. It's what I call my struggle meals because I gotta use whatever's in my fridge. So started some water boiling. Of course I salted it. I actually need to put a little oil in it as well. I'm almost out of olive oil. And my ingredients, I have mushroom, garlic, some lemon here, grated Romano, half and half. So we're gonna make like a mushroom cream pasta. I have some spaghetti, and y'all know I always do mise en place. Got my dish water right there because I always wash dishes when I'm cooking. At the same time, just so cleanup is easier. And yeah, I'm gonna just show you guys how it turns out. My mise en place done. I also took out some turkey bacon. This is my garlic. My mushrooms are under here and my onions. And then here is my pasta. And yeah, really simple, really easy. Oh, the pasta water. Not boiling quite yet, but it's about to be. Put some olive oil in the pan and I'm starting off with my bacon. This is gonna be the starting flavor of everything. I'm gonna wait till this gets nice and crispy. And I'll add in my other veggies after that. Okay, so we got the bacon nice and crispy now. A lot of fat just came out, so all that flavor is gonna get into the pasta. Exactly what we're looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my onions and mushrooms. And I'm gonna get this nice and cooked down. And once it's about like halfway cooked down, I'll add my garlic in because I don't want it to burn. I want my garlic to burn. And I just want to say this, once I started using fresh garlic, it really changed my cooking game. And it's cheaper, so just get your garlic and cut it. Tastes so amazing. You could definitely taste the difference than getting the jarred pre-minced garlic. Cooked down, I'm gonna go ahead and put my garlic in. Almost garlic in. I also added in some thyme. And it smells so good. So I'm about to add in a nice big slab of butter. Kerrygold, to be specific. And then I'm gonna add in my cream a little after this melts down. Cream's gonna go in. We're gonna start small with the cream and work our way up if we need more. So here's what the sauce is looking like so far. It looks really good. And I just put my pasta in. We're not gonna let the pasta go too long. Just wanna get it al dente. I'm gonna let the cream sauce go a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna add the Parmesan and the lemon. And yeah. I already put some lemon zest in, and I'm also gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon. Just because I love the tang that lemon adds to my food. So the more it's been cooking down, I've been adding like a little bit of cream at a time because I don't want it to get like too thick. But I also don't want it to be too watery because I am gonna add pasta water in at the end. So we're just gonna do a lot of cheese. Boom. Stir this in. Ooh. The best part is the cheese. I wish I had some fresh parsley. That would really set it off. Oh yeah, it's gonna be so tasty. I can already tell. And this is also where I'm gonna add my salt, which it shouldn't need too much because lemon makes it salty. Oh my God, so good, y'all. I'm gonna add a little salt. And for some reason, I feel like I wanna add paprika for like a nice smokiness. So I'm gonna do that. I love the taste of paprika. People literally say it's only for color, but I think that paprika has a real taste. Ooh, it's getting a little too thick. I think it's time for the pasta water. Ooh, y'all, this is so good. Okay, so I'm pretty sure my pasta's finished. So I'm gonna drain this, but first I'm gonna get some of this pasta water. Get some of the pasta water. Dip in. Boom. I'm gonna do 2 ladlefuls of pasta water. Maybe 3. Okay. Boom. Turn this down so it doesn't cook down anymore. Oh yeah, it needed the pasta water. Perfect. Oh my God, this looks so freaking delicious, y'all. Now we're just gonna add the pasta in. Now try to not make too much pasta. I'm going with some tongs and get it covered in the sauce. Out the way. So yummy. So here's the final product and it tastes so freaking good. I'm gonna plate some for myself. Ooh, come on now. There we go. Yummy. It's so good. If I had some sun-dried tomatoes, that would have been like even better. But yeah, y'all, this is it. And look, we already cleaned up. That's why you gotta have the dishwater ready. Okay, so kitchen is all clean. Clean out the stove, clean out my skillet. And yeah, this is my dinner. So you guys, struggle meals do not have to just be like ramen and like really gross stuff. You can actually make gourmet struggle meals. So I want to do a taste test for you guys. Official taste test. Oh my God. Pasta is so good. I literally can taste all the elements of it. The thyme definitely added something. Smokiness of the turkey. I love that the noodles are still al dente, so they have a bite to them. It's just so good. The lemon absolutely added something. I don't usually do the lemon zest in the lemon, but it added so much character. Like, this tastes like a gourmet meal. It's so good, guys. You have to try this recipe. Like, and it's so simple and easy, so like, why not? So yeah, guys, I know this vlog wasn't that exciting, but at least you guys got to see how to make, you know, a nice little cute little struggle meal with stuff that you already have in your fridge. It doesn't have to be expensive and it can still taste really good. Also, never buy a jar of Alfredo sauce again. So easy to make Alfredo. Why would you ever buy jar pasta? And you can use the ingredients for other things as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it wasn't that great. My content tomorrow hopefully is a little bit more exciting. I think I'm going to do like a makeup tutorial or something like that. So yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.